First, tap Login and enter your account and password. We are logged in. Now we're going to add the device. Tap Add Devices, then press and hold the power switch to power the stand. Take out the probe from the charger. Press and hold both switches on the stand until C1 appears on the screen. Now Bluetooth starts searching. Wait a moment. OK, next we need to connect the Wi-Fi to the ChefsTemp. Choose your Wi-Fi and enter your password. Then press Next. Wait a while. OK, now we can start cooking. Press the probe on the screen and just hit Setup Cook. We cook the beef, flank, at the recommended temperature. We can slide the dial to adjust the temperature. Now it's reading all three temperatures: target, internal, and ambient. You can set different alerts. Now we set an alert for when the internal temperature rises above a certain level. Useful for cooking. Now we stick the probe into the meat and wait. As you can see, the stand and app show the internal temperature of the beef. Wait a while. OK, the internal temperature is 145, and the temperature alarm sounds. Tap the screen to continue and rest the beef. You could look at previous cooks and the temperature graph, and you can write notes here.